Okay, as you can see, I'm in a little bit of shade here, but you can see a lot of buses and stuff. This is the main. I'm trying to see why I can't get my my music to come back up, but I don't know what the hell is going on with it.
Making love to your soul. Kiss everywhere your love flows. In your garden, water your flowers. We're making love, babe. It feels like the first day of summer. Drinking your water, babe. Like I'm fresh out of jail, a home cooked meal. Don't get no better, babe. I dream about it. Ooh, I think about it. So you don't have to wonder, girl. Cause you.
I don't know why. Something making it cut off. But I don't like the wrapped up music. I'm waiting for Francina anyway. I don't know where she at. Slow poke. But I get it all straightened out. All right, let me see what's the hell going on here.
So can't keep composed, I don't know
where Francina.
So can't keep composed, I don't know.
I don't know where Francina at.
Came into my life. Yeah. Maybe God sent you, and I'm thankful. Speaking life into you. Maybe I need you. The way that I see you. Only God can do that. Gotta take care of my blessing. God is my witness, you're destined, babe. I'll be here to protect your love with everything. Wedding rings, seeing you carry my child. I couldn't be more proud. There's nothing you can't do. And I'll stand beside you cause you got a hold on my soul. Can I make you my wife, babe? Yeah. Oh, I can't keep composed. I don't know how you came into my life, baby. Maybe God sent you, and I'm thankful. I'm speaking life into you. Thank you, God. I see you. I believe you. I'm living through you. Thank you for my wife.
You know, anybody out here today? Just got here. Yeah. Everybody looking at that damn Dodgers game. What you doing? Y'all want to see my Bugatti? I was asking, they want to see my Bugatti.
Something about your hands on my body feels better than
how y'all doing?
Anyone man I've ever been with. Something about the way you just keep.
That's all right.
I get nervous when it's my time to speak, so I just listen. You got a hold on my soul. Can I make you my wife? Oh, yeah. Just say yeah. So can't keep composed. I don't know how you came into my life. Yeah. Maybe God